Biking, either for fun or to commute, is great for both health and the environment. But when people feel unsafe, it prevents them from biking. For example, according to a 2019 study led by Sergio Useki, the top factors that discourage people from commuting by bicycle are crash risk, weather, and lack of safety. While there is not much we can do to change the weather, we can work to improve bike safety and reduce the risk of crashes by improving bicycle infrastructure. To do that, we need to know the specific locations of safety issues, but that information is difficult to obtain, especially since it's estimated that less than 20% of bicycle crashes are ever reported. That's why we created bikemaps.org. On Bike Maps, you can submit locations in your area where you have experienced biking hazards, collisions, and near misses. To use bikemaps.org, you don't need an account. From the home page, you're able to toggle between layers to see the previous reports of hazards, collisions, near misses, and bike thefts. To begin, just hit Start a Report and place the pin where the incident, hazard, or near miss occurred. In addition to zooming to the location, you can type in an address or select Go to My Location on the left toolbar. The report will direct you to select whether the incident was a collision or fall, a near miss, hazard, or a theft. Depending on your selection, it will guide you through a few questions about the incident and ask you to provide a brief description. Often the descriptions are the most helpful information for us because they tend to do a good job of painting a picture of the scene. Then it will ask you a few demographic questions. We use these questions to understand how risk factors vary for different people. What shows up on the map for everyone to see are the incident type, the date, an ID number, and the description of the incident. Go ahead and click around to read about other reports in your area. If you decide to make an account, you can set an alert area by selecting the Alert Area tool and outlining on the map the area that you want to receive alerts for. This means that every time you log in, you can see what reports have recently been submitted in this area. Once we get enough reports in an area, we use GIS and statistics to analyze your reports of cycling safety hazards, collisions, and near misses to identify hotspots of cycling safety and crime. Then we can turn over these spots to your local government so that they can use them to choose the best infrastructure improvements for the area. If you want to get an overview of the data yourself, you can select the Visualization tab at the top to view a hotspot map of reports. As you zoom in on the map, the graphs will change to only include reports within the viewing area. Say you're only interested in learning about collisions, you can click on the collision bar in the Total Reports by Type graph to filter the data to only include collisions. Or click on collisions and near misses to show both of those and not hazards or thefts, and so on. You can also learn more about what we're working on by selecting the Blog tab to read blog posts about our work, or select the About page to ask us a question through the contact form, or to learn more about the team. Thank you for following along and submitting unsafe locations in your area. This data will help us learn about and improve bike safety so we can get more people out there biking.